GM, everyone. My name is Matthew, and I'm a contributor at Juicebox DAO. Today, I'm going to show you Juicebox's latest feature, MP4 NFTs. So you can now reward supporters with videos, music, or both using MP4 files. So if you're a musician, an animator, or a digital artist, you'll be able to mint your work and offer it to supporters of your Juicebox project. And even if you're not an artist, this will expand the types of media that you can use for your NFTs on Juicebox. So if you want to add an MP4 NFT while creating a project, you can click Add NFT and upload your file. So for this first example, I'm going to choose a short animation of Banny on a surfboard made by Bertula at Wagner Studios. And we'll call it Surfs Up. And I will quickly customize the price and supply. And when I'm done, I'll click Add NFT. Next, we'll add a music NFT. So this track is called Fruit Gushers by our friend Darby Trash, who is a contributor at Lexicon Devils and Forming. And again, we'll set the price and the supply. And when we're done, we'll click Add NFT. And last, we'll add an animated NFT. So for this example, Briley made an animated Banny Club token that will act as a membership pass for an exclusive club with a token-gated Discord, IRL events, and more. So again, we'll set the price and the supply. And when we're done, we'll click Add NFT. And that's it. We've added some MP4 NFTs to our Juicebox project. We'll deploy our project to Gurley. So once we've deployed our project, you'll be able to see the MP4 NFTs available for supporters. So we can see our Surfer Banny. We can see Fruit Gushers by Darby Trash. And you can see the Banny Club membership NFT. So a few things to keep in mind. For the moment, only .mp4 and .mov files are supported, and there is a 100 megabyte file size limit. GIF files are also supported. If you already have a Juicebox project, like this project that we made called Flamingo Sunday, you can also add MP4 NFTs by reconfiguring your upcoming funding cycle and adding NFTs in basically the same way as we did when creating a new project. So we can click here on NFTs and then add our NFTs in much the same way. Once you're done making all the changes that you'd like, you'll just deploy those new NFTs and save your reconfiguration once you're all done. And that's it for today. So if you have any questions or need help along the way, drop into Juicebox Discord at discord.gg/Juicebox.